Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this 7-piece makeup sponge set. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So there's a total of 7 makeup sponges. They are all tri-colored, so they are all like it looks like a marble style finish on all of these makeup sponges. Let me take them all out. I've actually already used one of them already to do my makeup, but I absolutely love how absorbent they are. They do not absorb a lot of the foundation, but I did wet one of them. So I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison as to the one that's wet. What you want to do is you want to run it under some water. Once you run it under water, the sponge will start to get a little bit bigger, and you want to go ahead and squeeze out all that water. So as you can see, it is damp right now, but no water is dripping. So you want to make sure that it is nice and dry. You want to take out all the water residue. As you can see, I'm squeezing it and no water is coming out. So now I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison. This is the dry sponge and this is the wet sponge. As you can see, I have used this previously, but I do like that it is so colorful. So you actually can't see that it has any foundation on it, but from far they just look like sponges. And I have actually used this one to apply my makeup. That's what it looks like, but I do like that it has all these colors, so it kind of like blends in there. You won't see it as much. Now again, I am doing a side-by-side comparison just so you could take a look and see at both the sponges. This is the wet one here and this is the dry sponge. You can use this sponge dry, but personally my preference, I do like to use my sponge damp, especially if I'm applying foundation or blending out my concealer as well. So I do like that it does have different sides to this sponge. As you can see, it has the point right here. So makes it really easy, especially to get around those areas like under the eyes or around the nose. So I do like the pointy tip. I like the flat side to blend out any foundation around my face. And it also has this curved side right here. So you could also use that one as well when you're blending. And what you want to do is you want to gently pat in that foundation. Lightly tap until you fully blend out your full face of makeup. You could actually use these sponges with concealer, foundation, even to apply powder if you like. I have used these to apply powder. You want to go ahead and gently pick up the powder. I personally like to tap away any excess powder and then I want to gently apply the powder on my face. I do like that there is a total of 7, and personally I think they are quite affordable for the quality of the sponges. Again, they are nice, fluffy, and they actually apply the makeup very nice, very smoothly. And I do like that you are able to wash these and reuse them. So overall, if you've been looking for a makeup sponge or a quantity makeup sponge, then definitely check these out. They are available in a variety of colors, so I'll go ahead and link them down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.